To get started, head over to the Indicators section on the TradingView platform. Look for the indicator called TUE-ADX MACD Confluence and add this indicator to the chart. This indicator will be our main tool for generating signals in this strategy. But before we jump into using these signals, it's important to optimize the indicator settings. So to do this, go to the indicator settings and follow the steps exactly as shown in the video. Now that we've got our indicator all set up, we can start using the signals provides for entering and exiting point. However, there are times when the market moves sideways, and during those times, it's crucial to filter out some signals. For this purpose, we're going to add another indicator to our chart. This new indicator is called MACD VXI. After adding this indicator to the chart, make sure to optimize its settings just like I do in the video. This will help ensure that we're getting the most accurate signals. Now if a buy signal coincides with a positive histogram, the long signal gets the thumbs up. Conversely, if a sell signal aligns with a negative histogram, the short signal gets the green light. For instance, here on the chart we've got a buy signal, and by checking the histogram of the MACD VXI indicator, it confirms its validity. So it's a go ahead for opening a long position. In the next example, we've had a sell signal, and after referring to the histogram, it's been given the green signal as well. Now moving on to the next step. In order to transform this strategy into a robust one with a high success rate, let's add the simple moving average indicator to the chart. Once the SMA is added, adjust its settings according to the steps shown in the video. Now, if the price is above the SMA indicator, you're only allowed to enter long trade. On the other hand, if the price is below the moving average, you're only allowed to take a short trade. This rule helps guide your trading decisions based on the position of the price relative to the SMA. Based on the indicators, the entry rules for trades will be as follows. To initiate a long position, you'll first need a buy signal. Next, take note of price being above the SMA indicator, as this condition allows you to open a long trade. Now moving on, ensure the histogram of the MACD VXI indicator is positive. With these conditions met, the long signal is confirmed and you can proceed to open a long position. And for effective risk management, it's important to set a stop loss for your trade. One of the recommended levels for a stop loss is often the recent swing low. And to ensure a good risk-to-reward ratio, aim to exit the trade with a profit at a ratio of 1 to 1.5 in comparison to your risk. And when considering sell positions based on the indicators available, the entry criteria will be as follows. To initiate a short position, begin by having a sell signal. Then shift your attention to the price being below the SMA indicator. This condition is crucial because it's only in this scenario that you're permitted to open a short trade. Now, proceeding further, ensure that the histogram of the MACD VXI indicator shows a negative value. With these conditions aligned, the short signal is validated, giving you the green light to open a short position. And to effectively manage risk, it's essential to designate a stop loss for your trade. A recommended level for setting your stop loss is often the recent swing high. And to maintain the healthy risk-to-reward ratio and achieve a satisfactory win rate and profitability, consider exiting the trade with a profit at the risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. And finally, for those of you who are looking to turn losses into gains, I highly recommend checking out this video.